Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. I hope you had a great summer and that you begin to enjoy your fall. Today I am in my kitchen. I am going to decorate it for fall. Before I start decorating it, I'm going to give it a little bit of cleaning. I'm sorry you guys, I don't have a lot of energy today, but I'm hanging in there. I'm not really gonna do a deep cleaning. It's more likely gonna be a lighter cleaning. And I'm also going to show you some of the things that I bought for the house for the fall season. In the next video, you'll see the decoration. As you can see, most of my spring decor are still on the countertop. I am definitely late for fall decor. I would like to give a big warm welcome to all of you who are new to my channel. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share cleaning and home decor videos. If you are interested, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And to you, my Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by. Clean the cabinets, I'm using Dawn Power Wash and a microfiber cloth. The Dawn Power Wash works pretty well for me. It gets most of the grease out.
Clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I'm miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head.
Usually after I am done cleaning the countertop and the backsplash with the Dawn Power Wash, I would go back with a glass cleaner to bring the shine back.
I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late, I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies, then you took my hand, said let's leave.
Now I'm going to start showing you the things that I bought for this fall season, starting with this beautiful mug. It's very beautiful, love it, love the header. It is from my website. I think it is super chic and unique. This is another mug again. I think this is a great one for the holiday season coming up. It's a good one for Christmas. It will make a beautiful gift. I love this vase, you guys. It is so gorgeous, so beautiful, so glam, so sophisticated. It is definitely a statement piece. It is unique. Love it. This is a vase from my website at www.glamstylehomedecor.com. The rest of the items are from local stores such as Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Home Sense. I got a beautiful pumpkin spread or tray. Love it. It is so pretty and so stylish. First pumpkin for this season is this one. It's a yellowish gold. It's battery operated and it has a silver stem. I really like the simplicity of this pumpkin. While it has some design, but it's not overpowering. I'm a sucker for pearl. If something has pearl, I am going to get it. And when I saw this pumpkin with the pearls, I had to get it. This one is so gorgeous, you guys. So glam. Love it. It fits my style 100%. This is another glam pumpkin that I got, but I'm probably gonna return this one because I already have two other ones that are similar. Love this pumpkin. It is so gorgeous. Looks like a fabric pumpkin, but it is ceramic. Last pumpkin that I got is this one. Really like it. It is so pretty and sophisticated. I also got these beautiful branches. They are in gold and a dark brownish maroon color. They are super pretty. The camera is not picking up the color properly and it's not as shiny as showing on the camera. It's just very rich and beautiful. I also got this yellowish brownish branches. These are a bit more traditional on what you would find at Hobby Lobby. These are super beautiful as well. From far they look a bit velvety. Last year I got 2 pieces of these branches. I like it so much. This year I got another branch to make it 3. I really like this garland. I thought it is so pretty. It is modern as well. Really like it. Love the brownish and the beige color. I got some yellow branches as well. They are traditional branches that you would normally find for fall. These are the towels that I get. For candles, I am starting with these. They are a bit crooked or bent. I believe that's the style. This candle, love it, love the shape. It is more of a darker brown than seeing on the video, and it smells good too. You know I love candles, so I got more candles. This is another small one as well. For everyday use, I got some bowls for the house. These are simple white bowls, but love the design, super chic. I also got another set of white bowls. Love the design, simple but yet sophisticated. You can never go wrong with white dishes. I got a pumpkin bowl. It's huge, I love it. To finalize the kitchen cleaning, I am going to make a scent. I have made this scent on the channel multiple times. This time I'm gonna put a little twist on it. Stay tuned.
Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
The twist is the almond. It makes it look pretty. This scent is a must. Not only it is natural, it will make your house smell extra good, like you are baking something. Try it yet? You have to give it a try. Stay tuned to find out what else you can do with. No need to throw it away because it is a good mixture. It was so good to have you today. Please leave a comment below. Let me know which item was your favorite. Next video will be the kitchen fall decor. Would love to see you there.
do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
Before you leave, remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.
If I could stop the time.